most frequently heard terms in export factory, RoHS and REACH. What are the difference between these two standards? RoHS is the environmental protection requirement of the European Union for electronics and electrical products. It's mainly focused on resistance for 10 harmful substances such as lead, cadmium, mercury, and chromium, etc. For powders, RoHS indicates that the powder does not contain these heavy metals and is suitable for the industry such as household appliances, furniture, and lighting. REACH has a much broader scope than RoHS. It is the European Union's chemical management regulation, covering over 2,000 chemical substances and requiring stricter requirements and more testing items. Industrial equipment, medical devices, and outdoor structural components export to Europe will all require REACH compliance. In simple terms, RoHS is base compliance and REACH is compliant on a comprehensive level. In customer export to European Union, REACH is usually less in most cases, especially for the metal powder and dark colored powders, where stricter control for the volatile substance is required. So REACH is mandatory and REACH is in the vice versa. Exporting to Europe is based to avoid both. That's all today. Bye bye.